again with another video, and today I'm doing another rebuild. Last one did not get as many views as my usual videos do, but I had fun doing it, so I'm gonna do it again. And this, I got this idea from KOT4Q. When he rebuilt like a while ago, he rebuilt the worst team in NBA history, and I wanted to do it. But I didn't want to steal his views, so I did it a bit later. So, yeah, let's do this. We're rebuilding Charlotte. Yes. Oh my. We are trash. Perfect. Alright, by the way, I'm trying to... This is not a realistic rebuild. If you're looking for that, click off right the frick now. Do your own thing. Highest potential out of all our guys, I think. We're trading him with 2 first-round picks. Dante Cunningham. Crawford's actually pretty. Luau dangerous. James Harden. What do I have to make up? Oh, I only gotta make up 2 mil. That should be easy. Just give up Kwame Brown. There we go. James Harden's on the team, guys. James Harden is on the team. Let's go. Let's go, team. How does that make us worse? James Harden is gonna be a freaking amazing piece. But I want a superstar. Derrick Rose. Yes. I want to trade for Derrick Rose. Alright, let's see. He's making 5 mil, so I can give him... I don't want to give up James Harden. Boris Diaw. In a second. Yeah, this is probably not... I think I'm going to have to give up another first. Come on, come on. Accept the trade. Come on. One more second. I'm not giving up that much. Alright. The deal's dead. I guess I could go for Luau Deng. Give up Steven Jackson. And I'll give you Tyrese Thomas. In a second. In 2 seconds. I don't want to give up any first round picks. 4 seconds. Not enough. Okay, I'll give you 1 first round pick. A late first round pick. In a second. 2 seconds, and the deal's dead. Man, I'm trying to get a superstar around James Harden, but I don't know. Oh, Kobe. Yeah, Kobe. Heck yeah. Give me Kobe. Oh, he's making a lot of money. Okay. And I'll give you a first round pick. Let's go! Kobe and James Harden is on the team. Oh my. We got Kobe. Kobe! Let's go! But the rest of the team's trash. Anybody in free agency? Oh, okay. Well, I can't trade for anybody in free agency. Never. I want to trade Boris Diaw. He's making too much money. And he's trash. Do you understand? I guess I'll get rid of, like, Tyrese Thomas. Let's see what I can get for both of them. Aaron Afalo was actually pretty decent for a while. Omar Sheik. I don't like any of these trains. Who the frick is Idiagu? Can you guys tell me who that is? If you guys gonna get mad in the comment that I don't know who freaking Idiagu is. This is definitely not winning a championship. Patrick Patterson. What am I supposed to do with Patrick Patterson? Guess I'll try to get Aaron Afalo. He's making 1 mil, so we'll probably just have to give up. I don't know, Sean Livingston? Is that enough? Who's making 1 mil? Dominique. I don't know what Gerald Henderson. No, that's a huge overpay. And give me 2 first round picks. Give me a first round pick. Okay, and then give me like 3 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, 1 second round. Jeez Louise, I'm not giving up that much for... Oh shoot, we could get Melo? Melo would be a nice player to have. LeBron! I'll trade James Harden. I know this is going... Imagine LeBron. But that means I would have to give up Kobe. No, bro. LeBron's making too much money. Sorry. Melo's making too much money. And then Jennings making not that much. Tyreek is your best player, man? What the frick are you doing? Ooh, Amari. I just trade Boris Diaw. Oh, he's making a bunch of money. So I have to give up like that. I have to give up Boris Diaw, Kyrie Thomas. I think I could just get this deal for like... That I think it's a pretty decent trade. I'll give you up 1 more second. Okay, deal's done. Raymond Felton was actually pretty decent, so... Making 2... Okay, I'll give you Tyrese Thomas. In a second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay. I'm trying to trade Raymond Felton. But the only way I can do that if I give up this 2014 first round pick. Come on, how many picks do I have to give you? I'll give you all the picks. All the picks. Okay. I want Tyrese Thomas off the team. I want him off. Give me him. Get him off the team. I do need a center. I want a decent center. Ooh, Elton Brand? Oh, but Elton Brand's making like $5 billion, so... I need to make up like $16 million. How do I do that? I give you boys Diaw. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, team. How's our team trash? You did this. You did this team. This team's real freaking good. Power rankings, we are 18th. I'm gonna simulate a month and see how good we are. Okay, we are trash. Got it. Okay. Who is... Gerald Henderson. Man, I gotta get rid of you. You're not doing that much. I'm not trading back for Boris Diaw. Ryan Hollings. Oh, shoot, Insanity. Alright, I already have too many cards. I guess Ryan Hollins. There we go. Ryan Hollins is on the team. I totally... Okay, can we win? Can we win the video game, please? Can we win now? Was that enough? Oh, Ryan Hollins the move. Really? Oh my god. Ryan Hollins was the move. Come on, can we make it into the playoffs? We need to be a top seed. Because we're not going to win at the 7th seed. Okay, why does everybody keep getting injured? Oh, nobody's injured. Okay. You guys have potential. Spencer Hawes, you're getting off to this team. While you have potential, so get off. Let's see, who's the move? I'm not trading for John Lucas III, whoever that is. Oh, Brandon Bass. You're the best player in the game. Brandon freaking Bass. Come on. Anybody making huge money that I don't think deserves it? Like, why is Muhammad making so much money? He's averaging like 6 points and 4 rebounds. Maybe somebody. Steven Jackson. We can get more scoring. Yes. Oh, hold on. No, not Spencer Hawes. Fine, I'll give up Spencer Hawes. Boom. Let's go, team. Let's go. Alright. Let's do this. Come on. Can we please win the video game? There we go. Okay, I think we're doing pretty decent. Come on, make it up the ranks. What are we on the power rankings? 14th. That's not good. We're 34 and 34. You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, what? Huh? Okay, Sean Livingston. I'm trying Sean Livingston. Sean Livingston, get the frick out this team. You've done like nothing. I'm looking for somebody who can do something on this team. Amari Carroll, you can do something. Oh, he's averaging like 8 points. Sherman Collin, get off the team. Oh yes, Earl Blinken. Dominique McGuire. What? In a second. Thank you. I don't know if that was a good trade, but whatever. We are the 5th seed. We win game 1. We lose game 2. We win game 3. We lose game 4. Alright, game 5. Come on, team. Come on. Can we do something? Kobe, score! And we lost, didn't we? We lost. Gosh darn it. Luis Scola was injured. Nobody cares. Oh my god, Luis Scola's injured. Yo. Okay, come on. We're not going down without a fight. We're not going down without a fight, okay? Come on, Kobe. Get your revenge. Come on, team. Get your revenge. Get your... No. Come on, team. Come on. Oh my gosh. We're getting blown out. Come on. Come on, team. And we lost. Of course we did. Kobe Bryant scored 43, but nobody else did anything. James Harden scored 8. This is basically just Team Kobe. This is what it is. It's Team Kobe. I don't want Team Kobe. I want somebody that Kobe can play with. Real playoffs and we lost. Kobe made the first team and nobody else did anything, so that's great. Bad? What? Oh no, we were real bad. I think the draft Marcus Morris. Or I could draft okay, let's draft Shen Yamina. Yes. That's how you say it. Meow. That's how you say it. Oh man, we're trying for you again. Okay, Earl Blinken, stay on the team. Thank you. Cause I can avoid so many players, man. Look at me. Oh, we lost. in the power rankings, we are almost dead last. James Harden, I'm sorry is you. I'm sorry it has to be you. But it has to be you. I am not trading for Bismack freaking Biyombo. No, horrible trade. D-Wade! An old D-Wade, but D-Wade. But they play the same position. Andrew Bynum. Yeah. Okay. Andrew Bynum. Yep. I mean, I gotta make up 10 mil, so I have to give up like Matt Carroll and Diop. There you go. Give me him now. You're the one who offered this trade. No, I don't want your second round pick. I don't need it. You're getting a second round pick and you're getting all that. Thank you. Thank you. How did that make us worse? I don't care, okay? I do not care. We're losing money, but I don't care. Come on, team. 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 Oh my god, we are trash. Stop it. Why can we do nothing? Trade these guys. Get them out of here. Let's trade some of the guys who don't deserve their money. I'm looking at you. For Marcus Camby, okay, decent guy. Deshaun Stevenson. I'm not going for Kwame Brown. Ooh, Barboza. I have one scoring. Give me all the scoring. Sorry, Sean. You're the one who offered me this trade. Okay, I'll give you a second round pick and that's it. Thank you. Jeez. Alright, we're tanking. Do we have our second round pick? First round pick this year? We don't. I must add players, but I don't have any money to add players. Can I just trade Kobe? I want to trade Kobe. I want to see what I could get. Jameer Nelson, really? These are some horrible teams. I'm sorry, some horrible trades. I'm not trading for Al Horford. I bet you I could. Not now, but I want to simulate. Yeah, but there's no free agents. Jamario Moon. Sign. 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 And sign. Where are we on the power rankings now? Oh yeah, 30th. Like what? How did that work? Sure. We're 30th. No, Kobe's injured. Our only good guys. I give up. You know what? I'm going all in. Kobe. I'm trading Kobe. I might have to trade Kobe. Not for Baron Davis, so you want to give me an old Baron Davis for Kobe freaking Bryant? Like what? How does that work? I'll give you old Barry Davis for Kobe Bryant. Like, Why? Okay, where did he go? Where are the Miami? Miami, where are you? Jeez Louise, LeBron. I'll give you Kobe. And I guess I'll give you... No, Steven Jackson, that's real quality player. I guess I'll give you Ryan Hollings. There you go. Good trade. Oh, and a first round pick. And 2 first round picks. And a second round pick. Alright, okay, fine. Give me D Wade. Give me D Wade then. D Wade is more efficient, he's more of a team player. I gave you Steven Jackson. Actually, you know what? Elton Brand. Get off this team. And a first round pick. And a first round pick. And a second round pick. Alright. This is probably my last year. Eventually I'm gonna be able to win. Eventually. This is not. Alright, this is... I'm gonna try one more year, and then I'm done. I can draft you and then trade him. Yes. Big brain. We are signing you, and you. Oh, shoot. No. Actually, I don't know. Sorry. No, you're getting real freaking good. I'll trade this guy. I'll release him, yes. Give it him. And sign Tim Duncan. And I want to sign Baron Davis. So, also, get rid of Corey Iglesias. I don't know what he's getting worse, so I'll release him. And we're signing Baron Davis. Yeah, that was all my signings. Oh, they relocated. Cool. Were we on the power rankings? Oh yeah, I never freaking last. That's right. We are dead last, so that's great. That's great. I need better players. Sorry. Jaquan. Get the freak off my team, Jaquan. I'm signing. Who am I signing? Real, that's who I'm signing. Oh yeah, that much of... Oh yeah, we're 26 now. Ooh-wee, we're gonna win. Sorry. Cameron Martin, get off this team. And sign Jason freaking Kidd. Okay. What are we on the power rankings? Oh, we are 26. Okay, well, I'm gonna simulate 1 month. And see how good we are. Okay. We're doing real good. Oh, we can sign Mario Chalmers. Yeah, okay, let's sign Mario Chalmers. Who's getting off this team? Who's getting off it? Earl Boykins. Sorry. And signed Mario Chalmers. Okay. Oh yeah, Baron Davis return. Come on, team. Come on, team. Oh my god, we are trash. Oh, he made a game-winning 3? Okay. I don't think we're making the playoffs again. Are you saying Jason Thompson? Sure. I'm just signing a bunch of the free agents that nobody else wanted to sign. Sorry. And let's sign Jason Thompson. Let's also get rid of you. And instead sign Kurt Heinrich. And then get rid of Barboza. And instead sign Humphries. Now we are 20th. Yeah. We are the best team in the world. Best team in the world. Totally. Nah, the best team. Are you kidding? Kobe's injured? Kobe's injured. Of course he is. Bynum isn't gonna carry this team. Kobe's the carrier. Kobe, carry us to the playoffs, please. You did that before. And we lost. Well, that's the end of the video. Let us see who wins. Sacramento. What the frick do Sacramento have? DeMarcus, Kenneth Faried, Durant, JaVale, Beb, Jimmy. Oh my gosh, that team's real good in the future. But anyway, that's the end of this video. We're going to win eventually, but this isn't the day. But anyway, if you want me to rebuild another team and fail at it, put it in the comment section below. And if you want me to do a what if, a who is better, like I usually do, I just wanted to change it up a little bit, have some more variety on the channel. But let me know who should I do next on the Who is Better series. And if you want me to do more rebuilds, like the video. If this gets, let's say, to 2 likes, I will do another one the next day. And if not, I'm gonna do a Who is Better. But anyway, bye.